It was wild, man. Stacking that crypto felt like finding some hidden door in a locked room. I swear it was like I discovered a secret method. If you're ready to see how I pulled it off, stay with me. I'm walking through the full process. Back in the day, I'd throw my wallet at every trending token. They'd crash and disappear faster than I could blink. Just pain. But then I smartened up, built a plan, stuck to it like glue, and put in the reps daily. That's when I saw real growth. I'm up 3 times now. The main difference, I never backed down. I'm about to lay out the exact process step by step. I'm about to walk you through the whole thing, but first, we gotta cover the groundwork. You can't skip this part. Pump fun looks smooth on the outside, but there are a few hidden problems that can trip you up. Let me explain before we dive deeper. Open Photon, hit the pump fun filter, and you'll be hit with a wave of fresh tokens. But don't get hyped too fast. Nearly all of them tank the second they go live. That's the risk when the barrier to entry is 0. You end up with a sea of throwaway coins. Now pop into Raydium and tweak those filter settings. Right away, you'll feel how smooth it all runs. New tokens show up like clockwork, about 1 per minute. That's by design. It keeps things controlled. Liquidity is locked, caps are strong, and volume's picking up fast. It's because only devs with actual plans make it through. That's the trick. Stick with me. I'll break it all down step by step. No joke, it feels like I skipped the hard mode. Launch Tool makes creating a token stupid simple. You don't touch a single line of code. Seriously, your grandma could launch one during her coffee break. Just hop on Raydium, click through a few steps, and bam, you've got a live token. I've run this setup more than a few times now, and honestly, it crushed my expectations. Alright, let's make a logo. We'll use Canva for this part. It's simple, quick, and does what we need. You can base your design on anything you're feeling or something popular right now. I saw this chill-looking cat sticker on WhatsApp and thought it'd be the perfect fit, so I'm rolling with that. With your logo in place, the next move is to check the dimensions. Make sure it's a solid 128 by 128 pixels. No more, no less. If anything looks weird, tweak it. When everything looks good, press download and keep it moving. Let's get it moving. Open up Launch Tool and connect your Phantom wallet. It'll take literally 2 seconds. When the form shows up, type in Tired Cat Coin for the name and Tired Cat for the symbol. Skip the description if you're not in the mood. I am too. Upload that logo you made on Canva, hit next, and you're on to the next step. Keep them coin values and decimals stable as they're shown. Negative on the adjustment requirement, period. Once data validation is complete, execute next to continue the process. Verification's gonna run you 0.1 Solana. Totally your call. Personally, I'm holding on to mine and skipping it. Just hit skip and we'll keep things moving. Linking your social medias might get you some extra buzz, mostly if you're already known online. But honestly, it's optional. Raydium's tech has you covered. Just tap skip and keep going. Yo, wait up. Don't mess with these settings. Copy that. Disabling them might save you 0.3 Solana, but that's a huge red flag for investors. Mint and freeze need to be locked, or people will doubt your project's security, Roger. The smart move? Leave those locked and confidently click Launch My Token Now. Pause for a second. Just skip and accept the standard safety warnings in your wallet. Just a quick click. Let it finish for a few moments, and boom. Your token is live and ready for action. Head into SolScan, and you'll find it's all smooth. Your token's live on Solana with 0 issues. No red flags, no weird activity, just a flawless on-chain validation. It's go time. Let's get this token off the ground. Head over to Launch Tool and press Create Liquidity Pool. You'll land on Raydium, ready to set up the pool and target some serious profits. Let's get your MemeCoin out there for everyone. Grab the contract address from Launch Tool and paste it into Raydium. Enter Tired Cat as the symbol and Tired Cat Coin as the full name. Click Add User Token to finish. When adding liquidity, if you have 1 billion tokens, throw 900 million into the pool and pair it with Solana for steady action. Go ahead and select Max for your Solana. Then take away 0.2 Solana so you don't run short on fees. Setting a 2% fee works great. It's enough to attract investors without turning them away. We're nearly there. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, and when your Phantom wallet pops up, approve the request. That's it. Your token is live and officially on the blockchain. Open up Photon and make sure you've got the Raydium filter switched on. Watch the display closely. Your MemeCoin will show up any moment now. When it does, that means it's live and ready to trade. Head back to Launch Tool and double check that you've got your token's full address copied. Then, jump over to Deck Screener, open any coins page, and swap out the contract address in the URL with yours, or just search your token directly. And as you can see, your chart will load up looking crisp and ready. If you're one of the first in, you're playing with an advantage. Trades feel easier when the market's pushing you up. Jumping in ahead of everyone else helps you avoid a lot of the losses. Kick back and let your profits grow on their own. Just peek at the chart. You'll notice a couple of sudden spikes. Those quick ups and downs? Bots shuffling coins around? Nothing major. The real momentum kicks in when a whale puts in a big buy order. At this point, it's just the standard action for a newly launched coin. Just to update you, it's been 8 minutes since we kicked off the liquidity, and we've already pulled in close to $60. That's 0.35 Solana. Everything's looking smooth with the market cap and liquidity, so now we wait for more of the same kind of action. Alright crew, only 15 minutes have passed since we added the liquidity, and we've seen a couple of good buys. One buy for $51 and another for $33. Super encouraging signs. Market cap and liquidity both look really solid. Now it's time to show you the full breakdown on how to withdraw your liquidity, step by step. Start by connecting your creator wallet to Raydium. Super fast and straightforward. Head over to the Portfolio tab and select it. Switch to the Standard option to view your holdings. If your assets aren't showing yet, don't stress. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, especially after adding liquidity. Once they appear, click the minus sign to withdraw all funds. Choose Solana as the currency. Now tap Remove Liquidity. Approve the request in your wallet, and you're good to go. Hey team, confirmation's in. Your liquidity has been transferred perfectly. Go ahead and open your wallet to view your total funds now. Everything's set up perfectly, and the numbers are showing it. This tactic has been generating solid profits. With the market heating up like this, it's a good time to jump in if you've been watching, and you can always do it over and over again. It's all happening fast. The timing is lining up nicely, and if you stick with it, growth is definitely possible. To be clear, I'm not getting paid by Launch Tool, Photon, or Raydium. I'm just passing on a strategy that's been solid for me. Want more info? It's all in the top comment or description.